Alright guys, so this is part 2. Alright, let's go.
Discord call together, and I'm gonna let y'all see what happened right now. Alright, bro, listen, I heard you was talking shit on your TikTok about me.
Yeah.
You say you wanted to bike up and shit, so like, I'm just,
You're scared.
I'm scared of what? Alright, guys, I had to pause this for a second, because now upon a second viewing this footage, I am severely struggling to understand what the fuck this dude is looking at with that zoinks ass expression on his face. I mean, he came into this argument with killer energy, right? Yeah, out of nowhere, he must have seen an exotic cockroach bench pressing a Cheeto under his desk. Either that or a threat level demon fart just came out of his ass. Like, I have seriously no idea what the fuck happened to him right there, but I'm gonna let y'all get back into it.
You're scared to get popped.
Scared of your Nerf gun?
Nah, you're scared to get popped.
Scared of your 3
You
just throw, you have paper in your...
Bro, what you gonna scare a 1-year-old with that
I'm
fucking
different to you.
Nerf gun? That's
You're
crazy, bro.
Let's fight. I was literally going to knock
Shut your
the
bitch ass up.
What in the shit
Ugly ass, rainbow teeth. Brush your teeth.
Bro, what are you...
Brush your teeth.
Bro, how you gonna stutter on your own sentence? Bro, that shit was embarrassing as fuck. Bro don't even got my real address. Bro said, is this your fucking address? Now bro's pacing around his bedroom looking confused. What the fuck you doing with your life?
Hey, bro, what the fuck you gonna do with that ugly ass mouth? Bro, that's a Star Wars.
That's a Star Wars collection gun, bro.
I was just about to say.
Bro, you say you can roast me, bro. You say you can roast me, bro, so say your roast.
Nah, bro, what the fuck? I was just trying to her when you came for roast correct. I'm like, what the fuck? What the fuck? You spent a whole lot.
There is no way that your ass was sitting on TikTok talking shit to me every single day just to come into the VC and do the DJ donkey.
DJ.
Blast it, hot pocket, drug the vomit. The uncle used you as a vomit. You stole all your clothes from a trash can at Hot Topic. Look at
Nah, bro smashed his own. Bro got so angry. Bro got anger issues that he smashed his glass against the wall. Bro represented LGBTQT. Nah, that's crazy. Where your dad?
Let's observe some of his prominent physical features. Notice how he has elongated airhead extremes coming out of his head. How he looks like an underprivileged.
Bro got rainbow dreads.
You got some internationally imported Chinese Minecraft chainmail around your neck. I got some racks. You got a guy named Twister Spinner attached to the
Twisty Spinner.
foot on red, left on my yellow, looking at you ain't got no money. What are you saying? But you broke as hell. You can't even afford to shoot. You gotta hop to school.
Bro, doing one and plays out the wall. Bro, got these scars, man. Dang. Oh, nah, bro, having a seizure, that's crazy.
Ghostbusters, because I think I just possessed this guy.
So it calls it. Nah, bro got roasted.
Bro spat so hard it broke his camera.
He's scared to actually judge me to roast because he knows I'll roast his ass.